How to get paid $147 per day by simply copy and pasting websites online. Hey guys, my name is Damien Belak. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. Today's video is a little different and I've never done anything like this before. So pay attention because you don't want to miss out on this insane strategy. Now in just a split second, I'm going to show you how to get paid $147 or even more every single day by simply copy and pasting profitable websites online. This method is brand new and anyone, including you, can do it. You don't need any prior experience or technical skills, and it doesn't matter what country you're from, so there's literally no excuses. Now before we get started with the actual strategy, I have one more favor for you guys, and that is to smash that like button below this video and subscribe if you're new. This helps me so much, guys, to grow this channel and reach more people. So now that we have everything out of the way, let's get started right now. So just before we get started, I just want to show you my System.io back office just to show you that I did make $147 in this one single day, May 24th. And I make commissions every single day, just like this. You can see new sale 24th, new sale 23rd, new sale 23rd, new contact. So I do this myself. I don't just talk about these strategies, I do these strategies myself. Now I can't refresh the page for you guys because that means all of this blurred out stuff would disappear, and these are some important information, and I don't want to reveal someone else's email address, so that's why I cannot refresh the page. But guys, if you don't trust me, you can watch my other videos on my YouTube channel. I literally refresh the page every single time for you guys, and I do what I teach. So this is just to show you that you can make 150 bucks per day with this exact strategy yourself. Alright guys, so the first step is to pick a niche that we're gonna hop into. Well, I'm in the make money online niche. I love affiliate marketing. I love making money online, and this is what I teach and this is what I do every single day. So this is what niche I'm in. But if you're into fitness, if you're into dogs, if you're into relationships, it's completely up to you and what your interests are, right? So this is just to show you that I'm in the make money online niche. So this is what we're going to be working with in this video. So the first thing you need is a niche. Okay guys, so now that we have a niche, now we need to find someone, spy on someone that's already making money in our niche, and from there we can copy their entire funnel and start using it ourselves. So what I like to do here is I like to sign up for a affiliate network like ClickBank, or the better option is to find a private affiliate program like Legendary Marketer, right? This is an affiliate program that I love promoting. This is one of my test accounts, and they have a scoreboard right here, right? This shows you how much money people make with this affiliate program today, last 7 days, and last 30 days. So you can literally find these people on social media and spy and look at what they're doing. So for example, let's look at this guy Andre, right? He's a 3-time platinum, which means that he made let's see, platinum, someone who has made $100,000 in commissions, and this means that he's 3x platinum. This guy made $300,000, over $300,000 promoting this affiliate product. So now let's look at the way he's promoting it and what funnel he's using. So I just went over to Instagram and I searched for his name, and there you go guys, he popped up like on the first place. This is his main Instagram account, Andre Yermev Official. He has 50,000 followers, and as you can see, he's creating short Instagram reels, and this is his main traffic source. I'm 100% sure. He also has a YouTube channel, but he doesn't post actively. I dug a bit deeper into this guy, and he uses Instagram and TikTok to promote this affiliate product. And as you can see, he's made over $300,000 in commissions. I know this might sound crazy guys, but I promise you, this is how they are promoting this product. Now guys, if you don't believe me, 80% of the people on this scoreboard promote this product through social media like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, which is new. And this is what they do, right? They make 15-20 second videos on TikTok. You can see this is his TikTok account and Instagram, and this is how they promote the product. So now we know that they use Instagram and TikTok as their traffic source. So now let's see what funnel they are using. So all you have to do is just click on their link, right? And you can see that this is his opt-in page. Very simple. Start making money online. Ever wanted to create a super profitable online business but lacked the ability to desire or create products? So this is a simple opt-in page that he uses to collect leads that he follows up with later on. So now you can opt in right here. I'm just gonna opt in real quick. All right, so test@gmail.com. So this is his bridge page, right? The number one thing most struggling digital entrepreneurs are missing is the right education. This is what he uses to bridge the gap between the opt-in page and the sales page. And when you click on Start Now, this is the actual affiliate product. When someone comes to this page and clicks on Get Started and purchases the product, he makes a commission. So this is his entire funnel, a simple 2-step website. Now guys, we can copy this entire page with just one click. Let me show you how. All right, so now that we know that this affiliate marketer made like over $300,000 with this product, we know his traffic source, we know what the funnel he's using. Now we can copy his entire funnel with just one click. So now let me show you a very special tool that I use myself to copy these types of funnels that we know work, right? So head over to funnelhackerlab.com. This is an awesome tool with awesome features that will help you copy profitable funnels just like I showed you and use them yourself. So this tool not only can copy and paste websites online, but they have over 400 funnel templates in 60 different niches. They also have a feature called Design on Demand. So if you want to create a custom funnel, you don't even have to do it yourself. All you have to do is just contact their support team and they will do the funnel. They will create the funnel for you. And obviously the funnel copier tool. So this helps you, it's like an extension, very easy to download. All you have to do is just copy a funnel and paste it into your ClickFunnels account. So I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. So if you want to learn more about their tools and features, just click the link below this video. But basically they have a funnel library of over 400 templates, design on demand, and the funnel copier tool. Now once you have your funnel up and running, they also have traffic training. You can see down here, they will also show you how to get traffic to your funnel. But guys, I already showed you how this guy is promoting his funnel, and that's with TikTok and Instagram. You can also copy his videos if you want to, right? So now head over to ClickFunnels. If you don't have a free account, then create one. There's a 14-day free trial, so you can try this method out completely for free. Or they work with GoHighLevel. This is also a funnel builder. It's even cheaper than ClickFunnels. So if you want to go with this route, you can do that as well. So I'm going to go to ClickFunnels, right? I'm going to build a funnel from scratch, and I'm going to show you guys how to copy this website and use it as your own. So I'm just going to, let's just do a lead magnet funnel. It doesn't really matter because I'm just going to copy it. So this is the copy and paste funnel, right? So we can name it for this reference. So now we have a 2-step funnel, right? We have the opt-in page and a thank you page. So these are the only 2 pages we need. All right, so let's just pick a random template. It doesn't really matter. We're going to be deleting all of the stuff on the page anyway. All right, so let me show you guys. Let me preview this page. Let me edit the page. I'm just going to delete everything that's here. All right, so I'm just going to delete everything so we can start completely from scratch. All right, so now head over to the page that you want to copy. Now, just a quick reminder, this tool only works with ClickFunnels. So you can only copy websites made in ClickFunnels, but like 90% people online use ClickFunnels to build their websites. So this is okay. So as you can see down here, made with ClickFunnels. So I'm going to click on the extension tab. I'm going to click on funnel cloner. This is the extension. I'm going to click on copy funnel. Now head over to your ClickFunnels editor and now click on the extension tool once again, and now click on paste funnel. So as you can see guys, the entire website has been pasted into your ClickFunnels account. Now you can change up the image, you can change up your name, so just like this, Damien, Belak. I can change up the image real quick if I want to. Now I can click on save, right, and I can click on exit, and we can preview in a new tab just like this. And as you can see, this is the exact same website, right? I changed my name, you can see. So now we also need the bridge page, because this step is very important as well. You don't want to skip any pages in a funnel that you are copying, because those pages are there for a reason. But once again, just go to the thank you page, click on edit page. Now head back to his funnel, opt in real quick. Once again, grab the funnel cloner tool, copy funnel, go back to your editor. I'm just gonna delete all this, and now once again the same thing, and paste it inside your funnel. And as you can see, word for word, looks exactly the same. So this is the bridge page. Very, very cool tool, guys. I highly recommend you use it. I'm gonna leave a link below this video. It's also very, very affordable. You also get traffic training, funnel templates. I'm also just gonna show you guys everything you get if you decide to use their tool. So as you can see, guys, this works every time. You can literally copy any website online and use it as your own. Obviously, make sure to spy on your competition in your niche, just like I did with Andre Yermeo. Alright, so if you decide to purchase this tool, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get the funnel library, just like I mentioned. There's over 400 different templates in 60 different niches. So as you can see, these are all of the funnel templates that are already pre-made for you. So you can just copy these inside your ClickFunnels or GoHighLevel account. So you can pick a niche up here, like click on the categories, and if you're in the, let's just say the credit repair niche, just click on credit repair, and these are all of the funnels pre-made. All you have to do is just change up the text and copy them into your account. So all you have to do is click on ClickFunnels, and as you can see, add funnel. Now it's copying the funnel from the funnel library, and it's going to appear here in just a second. So now you can click on view funnel, and let's preview it in a new tab. And as you can see, the entire funnel was pasted into your ClickFunnels account. So this is very, very helpful if you want to go this route, and you can even create your own funnel from scratch. But the templates are very, very helpful. These are already pre-made to convert. All you have to do is change up some of the text and the images, and basically just use your own branding. Now here's your design on demand feature. If you want to just start from scratch, completely from scratch, build a brand new custom funnel, you can fill out this form and they will do it for you. Now here, when you click on design assets plus trainings, here you're gonna get training videos on how to get traffic, organic traffic. You're gonna get design assets that you can use into your YouTube videos, PowerPoint presentations, basically infographics. So let me just show you guys what this looks like. 30 done for you videos, intro videos, spokesman videos, royalty-free music, images, marketing infographics, fitness infographics. You can use these yourself, on your social media posts, in your YouTube videos, or whatever you decide, or however you decide to promote your funnel. But you can use all of these awesome bonuses. Now, once again, what's very helpful is the organic traffic fundamentals and the advanced traffic training. So this is going to teach you guys how to get traffic to your funnels. If you want to go a different route, if you don't want to show your face on Instagram or TikTok, if you're uncomfortable showing your face on camera, doing these types of videos, then you can just watch these videos, and I believe there's a bunch of awesome strategies that Blade, the creator of this awesome tool, has for you. Now, if you don't want to use ClickFunnels, if you find it too expensive, it's like $100 per month, you can go to GoHighLevel.com. This is a very, very cool tool as well, guys. You can build funnels, manage your contacts, your consultation. Basically, this is like an all-in-one marketing tool that's going to help you, manage your entire business. So I'm going to log in for you guys real quick and show you how to copy and paste these funnels inside GoHighLevel as well. Alright, so once you're in your GoHighLevel account, all you have to do is click on funnels, add new funnel. They too have, templates made for you. So this is a test to show you guys, or you can go to the template library. But I'm just going to go to create funnel, add new step, and you can see here that import from ClickFunnels optional. I'm just going to add the URL from this website just to show you guys how easy it is to also copy this type of website into your ClickFunnels account. So the name for this page is the bridge, right? Create funnel step, and as you can see, once again, the entire page has been copy and pasted inside your GoHighLevel funnel builder. So as you can see guys, this is very, very helpful. This saves you like so much time building funnels, coming up with new ideas. You can basically hop into any niche, whether that's the make money online niche, the health niche. You can then find an affiliate product to promote on ClickBank or Digistore24, or you can go with the legendary marketer program, or you can find a different program online. Or there's another option, and that is to find an account, like for example keto. Now I know a lot of people are promoting the keto diet. You can search for accounts like this, then you can click on one of these accounts and look at what they're promoting, and once again just click on the website and copy the funnel, find the affiliate program, find the affiliate product that they're promoting online, and just put everything together, and you can start promoting the product the exact same way. So basically, find a niche, right? Then find an account or affiliate product, and then find someone who is already making money with this product and copy their funnel and their marketing strategy. So this is the exact method I use to make an extra $150 per day with this exact strategy. It works every time. The tool is awesome. It works every time, and it saves you so much time. You don't have to create anything new. Just copy and paste it into your ClickFunnels or GoHighLevel account and then start promoting the exact same product. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you found value, make sure to subscribe if you're new and like this video to support this channel. Make sure to click the first link below this video to check out Funnel Hacker Lab. Take a look at their page, their website, look at the features that they have, and you never know, this might be the perfect fit for you. If you don't know how to build funnels, if you don't know how to build websites, you can basically spy on others in your niche and copy what they're doing, right? So what I'm trying to say here is don't try to reinvent the wheel. Use what's working, copy the funnel, find the product online, and use the same marketing strategies like the person that already has results uses. Just like I showed you in this video, Andre is using Instagram Reels and TikTok to promote this product. He made over $300,000. So why not copy his funnel? Why not use the exact same marketing strategies like he's using? This is gonna work for you guys 100%. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.